Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hilmi Bahaki with student ID number 101012340233, and I will explain about OpenIMS Core, Open 5G, and cloud computing. First of all, what is the definition and the purpose of OpenIMS Core? OpenIMS Core is open source platform based on the IMS or IP Multimedia Subsystem Architecture. The purpose of IMS itself is to support research and development. OpenIMS Core allow researcher and developer to test multimedia service at a low cost, ensure interoperability between services from different vendors, and support the testing of standard protocols such as SIP. There are several architecture and component of OpenIMS itself. The first one is CSCF or Call Session Control Function. CSCF is divided to three components. The first one is PCSCF to initial user contact, manage security and quality of service. Second one is ICSCF to connect requests to the appropriate SCSCF, and the last one is SCSCF to control user session, manage registration and service. The second component is HSS or Home Subscriber Service, is a database to storing user profile, handling authentication and location information. The third component is MRF, Media Resource Function, to manage media research such as audio mixing and transcoding. And the fourth component is MDCF, Media Gateway Control Function, to connect the IMS network to traditional telephony network. And the last one is BGCF, Breakout Gateway Control Function, to route call to telephony network or other IMS network. How IMS Core support multimedia service and benefit. OpenIMS Core support multimedia service by managing user media, user session, media, and secure connection. The CSF component control multimedia session like voice and video using SIP. By integrating with application server, OpenIMS Core supports a range of services including VoIP, messaging, and video calls, providing a unified multimedia experience. Next, what is Open 5G? Open 5G means using open standard and technologies that allow different vendors' equipment to work together. This reduces reliance on one company technology, making the network more flexible and cost-effective. It encourages innovation and competition by allowing operators to choose from various providers. Open 5G have three architectures, namely Open RAN, 5G core network, and edge computing. For Open RAN, the function is a flexible radio where hardware and software from different vendors can work together. And 5G core network is the central part of the network that handles tasks like routing and session management. And the last one is edge computing. Edge computing to computing down close to the user, reducing lag and improving the performance for things like gaming and IoT. The impact of 5G is important because it reduces cost by allowing the use of equipment from different vendors, accelerate innovation, and make network development and expansion easier. Next, what is the definition of cloud computing? The definition of cloud computing is delivery of computing service such as storage, processing power, software, and networking over the internet or the cloud. The benefit itself, cloud computing offers several benefits, include cost efficiency by reducing the need for expensive hardware, scalability to adjust research based on demand, and accessibility for a remote work from any device. And the comparison between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS is for IaaS provide virtual computing resource like server and storage. For PaaS, offer a platform to develop or run application without managing infrastructure. And the last one is SaaS. SaaS provide fully managed software application of the internet. The main feature of IaaS is provides virtualized computing resource such as virtual machines, storage, and networking. For PaaS, main feature over a platform for developing, testing, and deploying application. For SaaS, the main feature is deliver software application over the internet, fully managed by the provider. And this is the example of cloud computing. In IaaS, we have Microsoft Azure and Amazon. For PaaS, we have Heroku and App Engine. For SaaS, we have Google Workspace and Dropbox. For the conclusion between OpenIMS, Open 5G network, and cloud computing, these technologies enable more efficient, connected, and innovative solutions across industry, empowering businesses to adapt a new challenge, enhance customer experience, and optimize operation in digital area. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.